Honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom.
Hey besties, and welcome back for another video. In today's video we are deep cleaning the oven, and when I say deep clean I mean deep clean. We are also rearranging the kitchen, reorganizing the kitchen. So turn me on all of your devices and come on and get cleaning with me, or turn me on your TV and just watch now, get a little entertainment, get a little laugh, a little giggle, and get some motivation to clean them things up later. For my new crew, welcome and thank you. I do organization, cleaning, DIYs, makeovers, and all things pertaining to homemaking and mama life. If this interests you, please subscribe, smash that like button, and become a part of the Bestie Clean crew. And for all my returning subscribers, you already know what it is. You know what we do. Let's get it. So as you can see, I done already started. A friend of mine asked if I could make some labels for her on my Cricut, and that's what I'm doing here. And I'm just showing you the process that it goes through. In a minute, I'm going to start showing you what I made for dinner, because this was sometime late in the day to get that done. But I'm going to switch back and forth because this was a long process. There was a lot of labels to print out. So I went on and started my dinner. And as you can see, we had beans and hot dogs for dinner, showing you everything I put into my beans. So if you want to try to copy it, you can. By all means, do so. And then in a little bit, we'll go back to the Cricut for it to cut. And I'll show you that little bit of a process.
Boom, 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 boom. Think you're messing with the wrong girl. I bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No man by our sides. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Boy, you better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom.
snack cart back together. For those of you who have been rocking with me for a minute, you remember I had a snack cart way back when before I decided to change my shelves into a pantry. But the pantry thing wasn't working anymore, and I get tired of bending over. It was really affecting my blood pressures and whatnot, having to bend over constantly to get those pots and pans out from up under there. So what I did was I brought back the snack cart, as you can see. So I'm stocking that up, and I just kind of moved everything. So I put my pots and pans back in the tall cupboard. I put the overflow snacks or the extra snacks down there on the bottom, which you all will see later in the video, and basically just rearranged all the cabinets to get through. And of course, had to restock the refrigerator because, you know, 6 kids in the house, everybody's constantly drinking something, so it's constantly needing to be refilled. So that's what I was doing today.
Let me go and let me in. Want this to stop, I'm giving in, so don't you get under my skin. Oh, but be nice. If you're letting me go, think twice. If you're not even sure you're right, be nice, be nice. Why are you even here? Where do you wanna be? I wanna disappear when you don't connect to me. Oh, why can't you let me know? Let me know where we at. 'Cause we don't got forever. Tell the truth, just spit it out. Oh, this feeling is the worst of things.
Now, to clean this oven was a chore. I had to spray it down a couple times. On my channel, I use chemicals. Everything is not eco-friendly because everything eco-friendly doesn't always work. So I use chemicals for a lot of stuff, especially to get it cleaned. And actually, I didn't get everything off the bottom of this oven. The oven is quite old and it's actually getting ready to go. So I'm going to be probably having to get me a new oven sometime. I don't know when because your girl is broke after everything that's been going on, and the money's just not there. But as you can see, I sprayed the easy off, got that in there. I got this oven pretty much almost back to the way it was, but there was still some spots, but I couldn't get them out.
Just let me go and let me in. Want this to stop, I'm giving in, so don't you get under my skin. Oh, but be nice. If you're letting me go, think twice. If you're not even sure you're right, be nice, be nice. Oh, but be nice. If you're letting me go, think twice. If you're not even sure you're right, be nice, be nice. Oh, this feeling is the worst of things. Just let me go, let me in. Want this to stop, I'm giving in, so don't you get under my skin. Be nice. If you're letting me go, think twice. If you're not even sure you're right, be nice, be If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone.
So if you've made it this far into the video, thank you for staying with you girls. Thank you for hanging. Make sure you smash that like button because the likes really help out my channel. And it's free. Also, comment down below what your favorite cleaners are, whether they're eco-friendly or chemical-based, whichever one they are.
I don't want you to have anyone, and if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't
So here is the last clip of you seeing my kitchen sink as it is. You will not see my kitchen sink looking like that because I got a new faucet. So later on in the video, you're going to see the new one.
he call me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional.
The way I put stuff into a space is, to me, the way I equate it to playing Tetris. Comment down below if you've ever played Tetris. And do you have a hard time putting things away even if you did play Tetris?
You say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional,
Now here I bought these. That was a chicken taco kit, and there was also another chicken taco kit with tortillas. Yeah, and the salad was looking a little rough. So as you can see, I put everything into a pan. Now here on my channel, I am fat and sugar butter lover. So you're going to see me cook with butter, sugar, brown sugar, every kind of thing you can think of. Because I'm sorry, I just don't do keto. I'm not diet friendly or whatever you want to call it. So that's the way I cook over here. But basically, I used everything in the kits, put it all together, and it actually came out quite delicious. So if you're ever looking for an idea and you don't know what to do, those kits they sell at Sam's Club, the best way to do it.
Darling, I would die for you. Tell 1,000 lies for you. Love you like the ocean, love you in slow motion. Anything it takes to make you stay. But I can't rely on you. Doesn't matter what I do. You say you need a time, I think you mean a buyout. Cause it's pretty clear you're on your way out. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me, then say it to my face. What it's all about, why you're bailing out. Think you owe me an apology. Just say it to my face, you're sorry.
So thank y'all for clicking on today's video. Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Smash that like button and comment down below. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.
You're so sorry. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. Say it to my face, you're sorry. And I quit my job for you, even quit some friends for you. Cause you couldn't stand it, me all independent, so you had to have me for yourself. That was when I trusted you, when I could add up 2 and 2. When you promised we'd be together, you, me, forever. Now there's nothing left to lose. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say,